Good morning everyone, or good evening wherever you are. It's evening here. Welcome back to my channel and to today's video. My name is Charlie Beam if you're new here, and if you are new, welcome. It's so good to have you here and I hope you stick around. So today's video is going to be kind of an artsy one. I'm not the best at art, but I'm an advocate for doing artsy things and creative things even if you're not great at them. So for today's project, it is my boyfriend's birthday coming up soon. So I thought a really fun and cool gift idea would be to make a drinking Jenga game. Now, I don't know if you've seen this, but I've seen it on like Pinterest and TikTok, and my friend recently did it as well. But basically you take some Jenga blocks, paint them, and write things to do related to drinking on them. Every time you pull out a block, there'll be something written on the block for you to do that involves drinking. So yeah, I thought it would be really fun, a really fun gift idea for him. And something we can do on his birthday. So yeah, stay tuned to like see how I do it. I'm going to show you what I do and what I use and stuff like that, and I hope you enjoy. So basically, I didn't have real Jenga because I was looking on Amazon, and turns out like the actual Jenga game is kind of expensive. So instead I just bought this tumbling tower game. Looks like this. And I bought these acrylic paints. I wasn't sure what paint would be best. I was trying to look online and it said that acrylic paints should work pretty well, or spray paints, but I wasn't about to get spray paints because I didn't want to make a mess everywhere. So yeah, so basically I'm going to paint every single block first, and then leave them overnight to dry, and then tomorrow morning I will write the directions on, I guess you call them directions, the drinking instructions on tomorrow morning. So yeah, good to go. Hello everyone, it is now the next day and my blocks are dry. They look so nice. I actually gave them a second coat after I did the first one, just because they were looking a bit patchy before, but they're all dry, so now I am ready to write the instructions on them. But first I have to decide what they're going to be. I already got some ideas, like from stuff I've used in other drinking games, but I'm gonna look at Pinterest. My friend who did it said she found a lot of ideas on there, so I'm gonna have a look on there and see what ideas I can use for my drinking game. And then I think I'm gonna write them all out. There's like 50, as I said, there's 54 blocks, so I'm gonna write out the instructions that I'm going to put on so I don't forget like what I'm going to write, and also it will serve as like an instructions kind of thing, because if there might be some blocks that people don't understand. So I'm going to do that now. Let's have a look on Pinterest for some ideas. quite a lot on here actually. Some of them look really good, like Truth or Dare, Thumb War, that's quite a fun one. Bust a Rhyme, Finish Your Drink, Feed Someone a Sip, they're good. What about here? Ladies, gents, as usual. Give 3 tips, I think. Shot, I'm gonna do quite a few like shot ones because that would be fun. Yeah, these are some good ideas. I'm gonna write them down now. Okay, so I finished writing them all out. There's a lot. And now I'm going to paint them, which is the most exciting bit. I'll try and do doodles on them related to the introduction, but I don't know how that's going to go. I might end up messing it up. But yeah, I'm going to paint them now. Really excited. I hope they come out really nice, and I'm really excited to play. I think it'll be really fun. This is what they look like. They came out so good. I'm so happy. They're so nice and colourful. I'm just going to leave them on this cardboard so that they fully dry, and then afterwards I will pack them up in the box. But yeah, they're so good. They look so good. This is what they look like standing up. It looks so pretty. Just gonna see if they actually move and come out. Amazing! I am so happy with how it turned out. I think it looks so good, so colourful. I'm so excited. Yeah, I would definitely recommend doing this as a gift for someone, or just to have around your house, because like you can still play normal Jenga without doing it as the drinking version. It's always fun to like have a drinking version laying around if you want to have a fun night, especially with summer coming up and lockdown easing. It's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna package it up now, and yeah, that's done. That's the video. I really hope that this was enjoyable. It was really fun for me to do because it was really fun making it and painting them. And yeah, I definitely say do it, and I hope this was useful to show you how to do it. I will link the blocks that I got and the paint that I got down below, so if you want to give it a go, then you can. Yeah, so I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.